What if I told you that a few moments of stillness could heal your body, calm your mind, and elevate your soul? Welcome to Healing Light Meditation. This isn't just a relaxation technique. It's a sacred practice that has transformed lives of millions across the globe, physically, emotionally, and energetically. Let this session be your turning point. Let's begin. Today, we'll practice Healing Light Meditation, a powerful method that has brought profound physical and mental transformations. This practice has been a gift of health for countless people. Many have experienced healing from both physical discomfort and emotional heaviness. During this session, we'll tune into the deep sensations within our body. These sensations carry the power to ground us and activate inner healing. As we move through this meditation, emotions or thoughts may arise. Don't hold on to them. Just let them pass. Like clouds drifting in the sky, as I guide you with gentle commands, simply follow my voice. Keep your body still. Move only if absolutely necessary, and even then, very little. Stay present. Listen with full awareness. And remember, if you don't feel certain sensations, that's okay. Completely normal. Now, find a comfortable place to sit where no one will disturb you. If sitting is uncomfortable, lie down gently, only if you really need to. Sitting is ideal. If you're on a chair, keep your feet flat on the ground. If you're seated elsewhere, relax in a cross-legged position. Support your lower back if needed. Use a cushion, a pillow, whatever brings ease. Rest your hands either on your knees or folded softly in your lap. Let's begin this powerful healing journey. Now, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to whatever higher power you believe in. Sit or lie down. Relax your shoulders. Keep your spine straight and allow your entire body to become still. Visualize yourself in a calm, sacred space. It could be the edge of the ocean, waves gently brushing the shore, or a peaceful forest, surrounded by chirping birds and rustling leaves, or even a spiritual place, filled with divine energy in the air. Take 3 deep, long breaths. Inhale slowly. Exhale even slower. No rush. Feel your breath filling your belly, reaching your navel. Just relaxed, natural breathing. Now, shift all your awareness to your breath. Let it flow naturally. You're not trying to change it, just observe it. Let each breath be known, in and out, with full awareness. Let nothing exist now, except your breath. Feel your forehead relax. Let your eyebrows soften. Relax your eyes completely. Soften your ears. Drop your jaw. Relax the muscles in your face. Now feel the tension melting from your neck and shoulders. Let go of everything. You are completely at peace. With each breath, feel the stress melting away from your body. Sink deeper into stillness. Now, bring your awareness to the very top of your head, to your crown chakra. Imagine a divine, golden light slowly descending from above. A pure, radiant stream of healing energy flowing down from the universe itself. This is the light of divine power, the light of peace, stillness, healing. Feel it touch the top of your head. As it enters, your brain begins to relax. Your thoughts slow down. Your mind quiets. Each neuron, each nerve, each cell is filling with golden energy. All stress is dissolving. You feel light. You feel calm. You are completely in the present moment. Now the light gently flows downward into your forehead, activating and relaxing your third eye. Any lingering tension in this area. This golden light now enters your eyes, clearing away fatigue, strain, and stress. Your vision feels lighter, softer. Your whole face becomes serene, peaceful. Feel a gentle smile rising from within. This is divine peace radiating from your heart to your face. Let it flow. The golden light now moves into your throat, relaxing every muscle, healing your thyroid, empowering your voice, and connecting you to infinite truth. With each breath, the light descends, entering your chest, filling your lungs, and energizing. Every breath you take, your life force is rising. Now feel this divine light entering your heart. Your heart is the sacred center of healing. This light is dissolving all emotional pain, fear, and sadness. Feel it melt away. Your heart is glowing with warmth, love, and grace. Now, with gentle awareness, let this golden healing light travel through your chest, to your liver, gallbladder, spleen, kidneys, adrenal glands, healing every organ and every cell. Feel this light relaxing, cleansing, and energizing every part of you. Your body is returning to its natural, healthy state. Let it all flow. Now the light reaches your stomach, your gut, large and small intestines, relaxing your digestive system, soothing every corner of your being. Your entire upper body feels healed, harmonized. And now, the light flows downward to your root chakra, your base. Feel it grounding you, removing fear, insecurity, guilt, shame. You are safe. You are whole. This light is now moving into your hips, thighs, knees, traveling down your calves, filling your legs with a calm strength. And finally, this golden light exits through your feet, taking with it all remaining stress, illness, tension. You are now surrounded by golden radiance from the divine source you believe in, God, the universe, the supreme being, Jesus, Allah, Buddha. Feel this sacred light completely wash through you, healing, soothing, and elevating your entire being. Let yourself feel this deeply for the next 1 minute. Breathe into it. Let go. You feel light, calm, free. Your body is completely healed. There is no resistance. You are vibrating high, feeling happy, healthy, energized, and young. This light is glowing from your face. Your whole aura is radiant. Now imagine this divine golden light merging with your blood, traveling through every vein, every artery, reaching every single cell. Focus fully on your heart. Breathe into your heart. Let every inhale and exhale come from this sacred space. Your heart holds infinite healing power. It can regenerate, restore, and rejuvenate. Now send this light to any specific part of your body or mind that needs healing. Whether it's your liver, your knees, your mind, or your emotions, let the light go there. Let it heal that if there's no challenge in your body. Feel this light expanding through your aura, beautifying your energy field. Now for 1 more minute, just feel this healing light dissolving anything heavy, shrinking any pain, melting it away completely. You are now whole. You are healed. You are radiant. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Now is the time to give thanks. Express your deepest gratitude to the Supreme Divine, the force that blessed you with this healing. Feel your heart expand with gratefulness. Thank this divine power as deeply as you can. Gratitude is the highest frequency. What you're grateful for multiplies. With every word of thanks, this healing multiplies 10 times, 50 times, 100 times stronger. Feel it. Feel it rise. Raise your hands. Feel the high vibrations around you. Say thank you from the bottom of your heart for this life, for this divine power within you. Now slowly, gently return to this space. Feel your breath again. Notice the room around you. Feel the sounds, the temperature. Become aware of your body. Gently move your fingers and toes. Now rub your hands together. Create warmth and place them softly over your beautiful eyes. Open your eyes slowly with a smile and with peace in your heart. Know this, your body, your mind, and your energy are now fully healed. A new power has awakened within you. You are a divine being. Repeat this meditation daily. This is your most powerful health insurance, costing nothing but giving you everything. Now here's your homework. Today, whether you did this meditation in the morning or at night, carry this calm, this energy, this healing with you. Let joy be your medicine. Let gratitude be your strength. And promise yourself this. You'll return to this meditation every single day. Because the more you do, the more powerful your healing becomes. That if this resonated with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It's the perfect next step if you're serious about building inner peace and outer prosperity.